When it comes to upgrading your living room, a TV stand does more than just hold your television. It transforms your entire space. From modern fireplace consoles that bring warmth and style, to sleek barn door designs and LED-lit entertainment hubs made for gamers, today we are counting down the top 5 best TV stands and entertainment centers you can buy right now. Stick around, because each one has unique features that make it more than just furniture. It becomes the centerpiece of your home. Taking our top spot is the absolutely stunning Lembury Fireplace TV stand. And folks, this is more than just a stand, it's a full-blown experience. Imagine this, it's a massive 70-inch wide modern console crafted from durable, scratch-resistant engineered wood, capable of supporting a colossal 80-inch TV and up to 300 pounds. But the real magic is built right in, a powerful 36-inch electric fireplace. This isn't just for show. It's a fully functional heater pumping out a cozy 1500 watts of warmth, enough for a 400 square foot room, with an adjustable setting of 750 watts for those milder evenings. The 3D flame effect is captivating and can operate with or without the heat, allowing you to set the perfect ambiance all year round. Plus, with 4 storage cabinets, 2 with gorgeous gloss doors, and 20 color LED lighting, this unit combines ultimate functionality with breathtaking style. It's the ultimate all-in-one entertainment hub that transforms any room into a cozy, organized, and incredibly stylish retreat. Coming in hot at number 2, the Jumico Farmhouse TV stand is going to be your new favorite piece of furniture. This 58-inch media console brings that beloved farmhouse charm right into your living room with its signature sliding barn doors. But it's not just about looks. Those doors glide smoothly on quality steel bars, providing silent and convenient access to conceal your storage or display your favorite decor. Built from high-grade, certified manufactured wood, this stand is sturdy and durable, confidently supporting TVs up to 65 inches. It offers a fantastic amount of storage space, with 2 concealed cabinets and 2 open display areas on the sides, all featuring 3 levels of adjustable and removable shelves. This means you can perfectly customize the space for everything from DVDs and game boxes to family photos and potted plants. It's the perfect blend of rustic aesthetic, practical storage, and solid construction. Our third spot goes to the Sweet Crispy Modern TV stand, a masterclass in mid-century modern design and clever functionality. This 54-inch wide console in a sleek modern black finish will be the perfect size for TVs up to 60 inches and will elevate any living room, bedroom, or office with its minimalist yet sophisticated vibe. Its genius lies in the details. The 2 cabinet doors are equipped with soft close hinges, meaning you can adjust them to ensure a perfect, quiet, and tight closure every time. No more slamming doors. The open center shelf is adjustable to 3 different heights, offering fantastic flexibility for your devices or decor. Behind the scenes, cable management holes help you tame the wire chaos, keeping your space looking pristine. With 5 sturdy legs for ultimate stability and easy floor cleaning, plus foot pads to protect your flooring, this stand proves that great design is about smart, user-friendly features just as much as it is about good looks.
At number 4, we have a fantastic farmhouse option, the Yeshami TV stand in a beautiful milk white finish. This 58-inch stand is a powerhouse of practicality and style, designed to hold TVs up to 65 inches. Its most notable feature is the convenient sliding barn door system, which glides on metal rails to effortlessly hide your storage cabinets and central shelf, keeping any mess completely out of sight. It boasts a significant amount of storage space, perfect for media components, books, blankets, or anything you need to keep handy but organized. A thoughtful circular drilling design on the back panel makes cable management a breeze, allowing you to connect all your devices neatly without a tangled mess of wires. It's a solid, reliable, and beautifully simple piece that offers fantastic value and that cozy farmhouse feel to make your living room more welcoming. Rounding out our top 5 is the Vestiaire Tall LED Entertainment Center, the ultimate dream for any modern gamer or tech enthusiast. This isn't your average TV stand, it's a statement piece. It features a sleek black marble finish paired with modern acrylic shelves that create a dazzling, high-end look. But the party trick? The built-in multicolor LED lights. With a remote, you can cycle through 7 different colors and 22 dynamic modes to perfectly match your game, movie, or mood. Functionality is king here. The shelves on both sides are not only adjustable to 3 different heights, but are made of reinforced acrylic with aluminum frames designed specifically to house your Xbox, PlayStation 5, or other gaming consoles. Cable management holes keep all those wires perfectly hidden, and the robust construction can support TVs up to 75 inches. With a unique higher top shelf for soundbars and a modern anti-tipping design, this stand is a robust, versatile, and visually spectacular command center for your living room. Wrapping up with some final thoughts. Each of these top 5 fireplace and LED TV stands brings something special to the table, from cozy flames and sliding doors to customizable LEDs and massive storage. They're not just about holding your TV, they're about crafting spaces that foster relaxation, organization, and joy in your daily life. No matter your style or room size, there's a pick here to solve those pesky storage woes and add that wow factor. Investing in one means saying goodbye to bland setups and hello to a home that feels alive and inviting.